Hello, beautiful babes. Your girl, Sweet Angel, and welcome back to Facial February, day 10. Oh yeah, we are here. We have the mask on right now. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Oh my goodness. Now, if your skin has been looking a little droopy, a little tired, or your moisturizer just seems to disappear and not do anything, today's facial is going to surprise you. We are making a DIY Flaxseed Gel Lift Mask. And listen, this is one of those old school natural beauty secrets that still works today. This mask gives the skin a hydrated, smoother, firmer appearance, especially for mature skin. Not surgery, not injections, not magic, just 2 simple kitchen ingredients. And you only need 1 tablespoon whole flax seeds and a ½ cup of water. That's it. Now, add your flax seeds and water to a small pot. Turn your heat to medium and bring it to a gentle boil. Now you want to stir frequently because the seeds will try to stick. After about 4 to 7 minutes, watch closely, the water will start thickening and turning into a gel. It will look a little like egg whites or aloe vera gel. Now here's how you know it's ready. When you lift the spoon and the liquid stretches slightly, you're done. Turn off the heat. Now this part is important. You want to strain it while it is still hot. Use a strainer, cheesecloth, or even a clean stocking and strain immediately because once it cools, it becomes too thick to separate. Let the gel cool for about 20 to 30 minutes until room temperature. Then transfer it into a glass jar and place it in the refrigerator. Now the application process, start with clean skin. Using your fingers or a mask brush, apply a thin layer evenly across your face. Avoid the eyes and lips. Now you will feel a light tightening. Don't panic. This is the natural film forming on your skin. Leave on 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse gently with lukewarm water and immediately follow with your moisturizer or facial oil to seal in hydration. I am using my Winter Skin Defense facial oil. Y'all need to check it out. Now let's talk about the benefits and exactly what it does. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help support hydration and softness in the skin. This gel helps the skin hold moisture, smooths the look of fine lines, improves the appearance of elasticity, gives a temporary tightening effect, leaves a healthy glow. This is especially wonderful for mature skin, dry skin, and winter skin. Now you can use this mask 2 to 3 times per week. It is also perfect before makeup or special events because it gives that smoother appearance under foundation. And you can store it. You can keep your flaxseed gel in the refrigerator. It will last 5 to 7 days. If it smells sour or changes color, throw it away and make a fresh batch. It only takes a few minutes. Now remember to always do a patch test on your wrist first. Do not apply to broken, irritated, or inflamed skin. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. Now this facial is for cosmetic and educational purposes only. Results vary from person to person, and it is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any medical skin condition. Hey, if you try this mask, come back and tell me how your skin felt after you rinsed it off, because most people notice the smoothness immediately. And I will see you tomorrow for day 11 of Facial February. Bye.
On your skin, like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come